So I have this style of in context information. So we always detect the point where the user would do something which is related to that action. So let's say you want to user to activate a new function, but where, when, what they need to do when they want to have that function to be activated. I'll give you an option, an example. So for example, you want that people are donating more money, and you set up a micro donation. So what you could do is, or like a lot of banks did that. So it's just an example of in context. I mean, one option is like you pop up and like, hey, you want to donate? Maybe you click it away. But if you do like a payment and you maybe make that account transfer to your saving account or something like this, then while you are doing that transfer, so it means that you have money and you are saving that money. So while you are saving that money, you could put, like a small box saying +5 for donation. It's in context, it's in flow. User doesn't even feel that he's distracted from that flow. Maybe even clicks and then donate. So that was a study and it was working. That when they put that small button like and include $5 or something donation for a predefined charity, then it works. So it needs to be in context and not in pop-up.